Hello again everyone. So this video is going to be a review of the Gucci 8 sneakers DIY. This one is mine and this one is my brother's. Let's have a look at the shoe dust bag first. I know people will think, why you want to show the shoe dust bag? Because it's very special and I actually really like it. I think it's worth the extra money to pay for the DIY, and you get the personalized pouch just like that, as you can see. So this is my initial, A.T. and inside there is pattern like that, and it's not only the simple shoe bag. It comes in 2 layers just like that, so it's a thick one, so it's 2 layers, as you can see. So it's different from the normal Gucci shoe dust bag, and at the bottom there is the word Gucci. So this is the normal one, this is the DIY one. And my brother's one, so he got A.T. and it comes in 2 pieces, and the same in-size pattern, and it's double layered. Let's have a look at my pair first. Side, so my initial there, the back, the other side, and the inside there is nothing there, so no pattern there. And the bottom is the same. Okay, so it's actually very similar to the B pair. The difference is just the B pattern and my initial, and the inside is the same as well, as you can see. Let's have a look at my brother's pair. So his one is A.T. side at the back, and then the other side and inside same at the bottom. Okay, so I show you these two. So my one, I ordered my few months earlier than his one. At that time I was told I can choose only 2 dots or no dot, and when he ordered his, he can choose either 1 dot, 2 dots or no dots. And also, if I'm not wrong, they told him that he can actually choose both pair in, not both pair, both sides, no, how to say that word, each side in different patterns. So one side can be like alphabet, and the other side can be like numbers, something like that. But when I ordered mine, I couldn't do that. Let me answer a few questions. Many people ask me where did I get these Gucci DIY shoes. So I actually got mine and my brother's one from Gucci stores on Collins Street. And if I'm not wrong, in Melbourne, I can actually order from only the Collins Street store. I can't actually order them from Cheston store. It took me about 4 to 5 weeks to get each pair. As I mentioned earlier, now you have more choices in terms of the initial, numbers, colors, and dot, no dots or 1 dot. Pricing, they are actually a bit more expensive than the normal B pair, which is this one. If I'm not wrong, I usually don't remember the price of things, but I think it's about 180 to 200 Australian dollars more expensive than this pair. So some people may think, oh, that's too expensive to just get your initial, instead of the normal B pattern. But for me, I usually like anything DIY. I like anything with my initial. Just like I like my, like a monogram. So that's why I probably prefer, at the moment, I should prefer to wear this pair more than the B pair. That's all about Gucci DIY shoes. But I will just let you know, a few things about Gucci 8 sneakers in general, which I already mentioned in my previous video. Firstly, they are very comfortable to wear. This upper tongue can be a little bit painful, but I usually just wear, the socks are a bit taller, so it prevents my skin to touch this area and it gets softened by time. Sizing, I wear 36 to 36.5 in Gucci 8 sneakers, but 36.5 would be my best size for the Gucci 8 sneakers. I usually wear Chanel Espadrille in 38 to 39, LV Espadrille in 37, and Nike or sport shoes in about 6.5 to 7 or 24 centimeters. So that's all my thought on these Gucci 8 sneakers DIY. I hope it is helpful. If you have any questions, Instagram is a better place to communicate with me. Thank you very much everyone for watching. See you again next time. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ